First kickoff of the game. Davo's fired up. 10's looking ready to give it a kickoff. Asking our captain if we're ready. Beautiful day here in England. We're going to try to give it our best go at rugby game. Thank you guys for tuning in. Please like and subscribe. All that. Get nervous already. I'm playing 15 today. Wow, nice kick. Yeah, right. Easy. Hands! Come on, Nick! Come on, Nick! Oh boy. Yeah. I got the skinny kid that looks like me. Yep. Yeah, stay wide.
Reach wide. Green.
Our ball. Off. Yeah, Nick, come on. Yes, Nick, throw it. Oh. Yeah, Rich, pop. Ooh. Yep, just a pop. Ruck, yeah, Liam. Yep. Playing defense here. Line up, mark up. Call out your guy. Ball. Right, Liam. Other way. Yeah, maybe.
Stay on this one.
Yeah, here. Yeah. Give me the ball, Nick. Yeah, Nick. Yeah.